Good morning, everyone. My name is Mithul. My class is LKG Orange Kitchen. My topic is between numbers. Between numbers are the numbers greater than before less than of. For example, 2 between of 1 and 3. 3 between of 2 and 4. 4 between of 3 and 5. 5 between of 4 and 6. 6 between of 5 and 7. 7 between of 6 and 8.